Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.